The construction industry is experiencing a revolutionary transformation with the introduction of cutting-edge techniques. New technologies are not only simplifying labor-intensive tasks, but also making construction faster, safer, and more sustainable. In this video, we'll look at some of the most innovative construction technologies that have left even seasoned workers in awe. Some of them will shock you. The Maxit Mortal Pad is a game-changer for masonry work. These pre-prepared, dry mortar pads eliminate the need for mixing mortar, reducing mess and waste on construction sites. Each pad is lightweight, weighing only 300 grams, and crafted from natural, raw materials. Using the Maxit Mortal Pad is straightforward. Simply place the pad between bricks, spray it with water, and watch as it activates to create a durable bond. This process not only saves time, but also ensures precision in bricklaying. It's a cleaner and more efficient alternative to traditional methods, allowing workers to focus solely on constructing high-quality masonry. When it comes to ceiling leaks in concrete or stone structures, Brand W is the go-to solution. This rapid hardening mortar expands upon contact with water, making it ideal for repairing leaks and reinforcing weak points. Unlike other materials, Brand W contains no corrosive components, ensuring long-term durability. Each 15-kilogram bucket of this product can cover a significant area, offering excellent value for its cost. Its ease of application and reliable results make it a favorite among construction professionals. For creative outdoor designs, the Tasmatic concrete molds are an innovative tool. Manufactured in Turkey, these molds allow users to craft unique pathways, patios, or garden features with ease. Each mold measures 16 by 16.5 inches with a thickness of 1.6 inches and is available in either plastic or aluminum. The simplicity of the process, pouring concrete into the mold and letting it set, means that even beginners can achieve professional results. The variety of shapes, from traditional paving stones to butterfly designs, lets you customize your project and unleash your inner designer. Hadrien X, a robotic bricklayer that can place up to 1,000 bricks per hour. Mounted on a 25-ton truck, this robotic system includes a telescopic arm, electrical equipment, and a control system, all connected to a power source. Before beginning, Hadrien X scans blueprints, generates a 3D model, and plans the entire project, even calculating the placement of each brick. Using a special adhesive instead of traditional mortar, it reduces waste while speeding up construction. With its ability to handle up to 2,000 bricks in a single shift, Hadrien X is setting new standards in efficiency and accuracy. Traditional building materials meet advanced technology with 3D printed clay blocks. Using a mixture of tepitate, cement, lime, and water, this method allows for the creation of intricate designs without the need for molds. The robot extrudes the material layer by layer, much like squeezing toothpaste from a tube. This approach is faster and more versatile, enabling architects to craft unique structures with minimal waste. During an architecture festival, this technology was used to build a small pavilion roof, showcasing its potential for innovative construction. insulation needs, Walltite offers a polyurethane foam solution that bonds securely to masonry or concrete cavity walls. This foam, created by blending resin and hardener with stabilizers and catalysts, provides excellent thermal efficiency and structural support. The application process is precise, requiring a bore scope survey to check for blockages and prepare the area. After drilling 12mm holes in the mortar joints, the foam is injected in layers, ensuring complete coverage. Its ability to fill cavities up to 200mm wide makes it a versatile choice for both residential and commercial buildings. Enhance the appearance of your existing posts with Nextstone's two-piece post wraps. Designed for a quick installation, these wraps fit snugly around columns, transforming their look with a faux stone texture. Each wrap is lightweight but durable, with inside dimensions of 5.5 inches. Installation involves clamping the two halves together and securing them with screws, ensuring a tight and seamless fit. The wraps are designed to accommodate wiring for lights, adding both beauty and functionality to your posts. Retaining wall system is a simple yet effective solution for stabilizing slopes and protecting coastlines. Each 10-foot wide bin can be filled with soil from the construction site, reducing costs and environmental impact. This system is easy to install and requires no specialized equipment, making it accessible even for unskilled workers. Its flexibility allows it to withstand ground movements, making it ideal for applications ranging from road reinforcement to military installations. Build flips traditional construction methods upside down. Literally, this innovative technique involves assembling building floors at ground level and then lifting them into place. The method was successfully implemented in the Exchange Building, a 16-story skyscraper in Detroit. By eliminating the need for tower cranes and reducing work at heights, Lift Build enhances safety and efficiency. It's a prime example of how modular construction can revolutionize the industry, saving both time and money. Touch of elegance to buildings with Certus modular facade panels. These tin clay tiles are secured with stainless steel clips, mimicking the appearance of real bricks. Each panel measures 56 by 37.5 centimeters and comes in various designs, including Flemish and English bonds. The panels are fire-rated, environmentally friendly, and have a lifespan of approximately 60 years. Their ease of installation makes them a popular choice for enhancing the aesthetics of office buildings and shopping malls.